everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a homecoming outfit idea slash haul or whatever, and everything that I got for this video is going to be from Windsor store. So I walked in and I saw everything and I was like, homecoming is coming up, these would be super cute for that, you know, like event. Personally, if you guys have been following me for a while, you would know that I finished high school early and I've already graduated, and I actually never went to homecoming, which is really sad. But if I would have gone, then this is totally what I would have picked out to wear and stuff. And also, I don't know if you guys are watching this video before or after, but I'm also going to be uploading a homecoming lookbook with these same outfits, so I'm so excited for that. So if you guys are interested in that, then either I will have it linked down below or it will be coming on my channel. And if you guys don't want to miss out, then please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, follow me down below on my social media, and if you guys are interested in seeing what I picked out or whatever for homecoming, then please keep on watching. So this is the bag that I got from Windsor store. So yeah, this is a bag that I got from Windsor, and I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys each item that I picked up and stuff, so yeah. Okay. So the first one is this little two-piece set. I saw this on like a little model thing that they had, and I thought it was so cute, so I decided to pick this up. So this is what the top looks like. It's just super bedazzled and, you know, in sequins, gold, and this is so pretty. So this is in a size small, and this is $19.90. I think this is so pretty, you know, especially, you know, like at nighttime. I know homecoming is like at nighttime, and obviously you want to stand out, you want to shine, so I feel like this is really, really pretty. So this is a little top, and yeah, I think this is pretty long though. It doesn't just like cover your boobs, it like goes more like under or whatever. So this is the top, and this is, or these are the bottom. It's just a skirt, and it's so cute, and this obviously goes like high-waisted, so it cinches you in a little bit. And this is in a size small as well, and this one was $26.90. So it's a really cute two-piece little set. I will obviously be trying everything on and showing you guys what everything looks like on. And yeah, this is definitely not see-through as well. If you guys worry about that, it has like that, what's this called? I don't even know. In Spanish, it's like a fondo. I don't know what it's called in English, but it has that. So this is really, really cute. I would definitely wear this. It's so pretty. I love that it's gold too. I don't know if they had silver or not, but this is definitely gold, and it's sequin, and it's just blinged out, and I think it's so pretty. I would definitely wear this if I were to go to a homecoming. So that is the first one that I picked out. So this is the next little set. This one actually is a two-piece, and it is just obviously gold. I love how it looks against the light as well. Obviously I wanted to get all like really sequin girly pieces, so this is what this looks like. Honestly though, for the material, I don't love the material. It's honestly like a little bit itchy, which I don't like, but for the most part it still looks really nice on. But yeah, this is really, really cute, you guys. I think this is so cute, especially like just imagine winning homecoming. Yeah. So this is really, really cute. So yeah, and gold as well. So the second item is also a two-piece set, and this one is black, and this is what it looks like. So this is the little top. These things are like sticking out, but this is a little top, and it's so pretty. I love black. Like, I really love like dark colors, so this is really nice. This is in a size small, and this one was $24.90. I think this is so pretty, and it's just definitely very bedazzled, and this is like a very like nice quality. I feel like it's really like thick, like you can tell that it's gonna like not like fall off, or you know, like you can tell that the beads aren't gonna fall off either. Like, it's just really nice quality. And these aren't sequins, these are more of like just little like beads like onto the like on the clothing. So this is really, really nice. It's also a two-piece, so this is the top, and the little bottom is also a skirt, just like the other one, except I can't talk, except obviously the top for this one was strapless. So this is what it looks like. It's so nice. It's the same front and back. I don't know if I showed you guys the other one front and back. The other one is just like a stretchy one though, and this one actually has like a zipper, so you guys can like, you know, put it on, and it has a zipper, so it's really, really nice as well. So yeah, this is the bottom. I don't know where the price, oh, here it is. Okay, so So this is also in a small, and this was $36.90, so it's really, really nice. And yeah, I really like this little skirt that it comes with. And yeah, like I'm saying, obviously for homecoming, you know, I didn't go, but if I would have gone, this is so cute. Like, I would definitely wear this with like some heels. And I'm just so excited to film this lookbook and show you guys already everything. So yeah, like I said, if I haven't or have filmed, I will either link it down below if you guys want to watch it after this one or before or whatever. So yeah. So this is so cute. I actually love this one. I think this might be my favorite one. Other than like the white one, the first one, I don't remember which one it was, the white, like the white all like full bodycon dress. But this is just a little two-piece set, and you guys see how it reflects on camera. It literally does that in real life. It's so pretty. So I could definitely see myself like wearing this to like homecoming. This is so cute. I love this so much, and it's really comfortable. And I feel like it like sucks you in even more because it's like a really nice material, and it's honestly like a really nice material. Like, you would think this is so much more expensive than what it is. So I really do like this one. I hope you guys like it as well. So for the next dress, it is this one right here. It's so pretty and blue, and it's sparkly, so you're definitely gonna stand out. It's so shiny. This is what it looks like. It is like a long sleeve dress though. It does have sleeves, and it just goes like this all the way down. You guys will see it once I try it on. It looks really nice on though. And yeah, that's what this one looks like. And this one, I think I took the price tag off, I'm not sure, but it was probably like $30 something as well, and it's really, really pretty. The only thing about this one though is it is like more like an itchy type of material, if that makes any sense. You know how that there's like those materials that like literally make you itch because they're just, I don't know, itchy. So yeah, that's what kind of what this one is. So that's like the only con about, I was gonna say pro, that's the only con about it, but it's so really, really nice. And also this one, like the glitter falls off everywhere. Like literally, if you guys could see my pants right now and like just everything, like all the glitter is all over me now, which is the only thing I don't really like about this one, but it's still a really nice dress. So this is the blue dress. I feel like this is like the royal blue dress. I think it is so nice. It's super sparkly, you guys. I was taking pictures, and with the flash, this looks so good. So if you really want to stand out, this is so nice. And especially because I think around homecoming it's actually kind of cold outside, I'm not sure, but this is a long sleeve. It's the only long sleeve dress that I did get, but I really do like this one. It's really, really nice. So yeah, that is the next one that I got. So the next item is just a two-piece, which they're sold separately, but I got them together because I thought, you know, they would look like nice together. So this is the top. It's just a little, you know, cropped, like bandeau, you know, strapless little top. And this is what this one looks like. This is in a size small, and this one was $18.90, which I feel like is kind of a lot for a little top. But it's still really, really nice, and it's just like this nice cream color. And this is a nice material. It isn't like itchy or anything, and it does have like that double lining as well, so it's not see-through. So this is the little top. And what I got for it is this skirt right here. This is really, really nice. This is like a stretchy material, but it's like a tight, like knit kind of material, and it's like, it almost reminds me of like shapewear because of the way it is. Like, I just feel like it's a really nice like sturdy material. And this one was $16.90, and this is also in a size small. So I really like this one, and I feel like these two together would go like really nicely together. So yeah, this is a little top and the skirt. I don't know if you guys can see it, you know, like just the skirt and the top. So yeah, that is the next one that I got. I love this color. It's just super nice and basic and neutral, and I feel like, you know, if you wanted to match with like gold heels or something and like accessories, I just feel like this would look really, really nice together. So this is, or these are the next two items little set that I got. So this is the next one. This is like a two-piece. It didn't come together, but when I saw both individually, I was like, these two would look really cute together. So this is just the top, obviously, and it has like little sequins. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but it looks really, really nice. And then the skirt is just like this, and it's also very nice, very soft. So I really do like this. And yeah, so it's just two separate pieces, but I paired them together, obviously, by myself, and I like the color. It's very neutral, and obviously, if you want to stand out, this will help, but I feel like the other one, you will definitely stand out more because, obviously, because of like the pattern and stuff, but this is still really, really cute. So you guys, this is my favorite product out of, oh my god. So you guys, this is my favorite item out of the whole haul. This is just a really pretty white dress. Oh my god, you can't even see it on camera because it's so bright, but it's just white and it is bedazzled out. I have to like turn down the brightness for this dress. Okay, so it is just white and bedazzled out, and it's so pretty. I love it. It's such a thin material, but it's not see-through, which is great. And it's just like so nice, and it looks so pretty on you guys. I can't wait to show you guys the try-on portion of this. And yeah, it's just the same front and back, and it's all, you know, bedazzled out, so you're definitely going to stand out if you do, you know, go to homecoming. So this is in a size small, and this one was $34.90, so this is really, really pretty. I love how bedazzled it is, and it is a short, but it's really, really nice. I love this one. It's so pretty. It looks so nice on. I can't wait to show you guys. So yeah, you guys, so this is the first dress that I'm showing you guys. This is just the white one with like all the, not sequins, but all like the beads on it, and this is so beautiful. I love this. I love the material because it really like cinches you in almost. Like it just makes everything look really nice. So I actually really do like this one. So that is what that looks like, and the beads, obviously if you're going to be wearing this at night to like homecoming, then you'll definitely stand out because of like all the beads and just everything. So I really do like this one. I think it's so beautiful and so pretty, and I like that it's white because I feel like a lot of fancy dresses aren't white, if I'm being honest. So I really do like this one. I think it's so pretty. I'm sorry I keep moving the camera. I can't figure out like a really good angle to like film at. I feel like if I'm up here I look like a giant, and then if I'm like down here, I don't know. So yeah, that is the first dress. So that concludes this haul for homecoming. I am so excited to show you guys these items. I love everything. I think they all look so nice, each in their own way, of course. So yeah, if you guys are going, then obviously, you know, Windsor, you should hit up Windsor because they have super cute things. Like I said, like I'm not going obviously because I'm like old, but if I was going, these are definitely the items that I would personally pick out. I just think they're so pretty, and I definitely wanted to get everything super like bedazzled and sparkly because obviously nighttime for, you know, for homecoming, you want to like stand out, you want to be sparkly and all that. So I definitely wanted to get like nighttime kind of like looks. So I'm so excited. So yeah, that is everything that I got for this little homecoming outfit lookbook slash haul, whatever. I will definitely be filming a lookbook, like I said, and uploading that to my channel. So if you guys are interested, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.